Suey! Suey!
Okay, so what I'm gonna do is, oh god, I hate fucking pigs. I'm gonna get in this pig pen somehow. Ow! Here you go. I think I can get in here. I'm just gonna climb over. Ah. And then, okay, I'm back. I got in the pen, and I'm gonna get over into the master pen. This is Pokey, one of my favorite pigs. He's got good bacon on him. Ah, God, I can't wait to eat his bacon. Okay, I'm gonna walk over here and look out here, all that poop on the ground. I'm stepping right in it. Oh, dear Lord. God damn it. Man, I tell you what. I hate pig shit.